So now we have the same root finding problem, but as we have found that when the path step costs are given, breadth first search is not always optimal for finding the minimum path cost solution. For that, we have a different algorithm which is called the uniform cost search, or in some literature it is also called the cheapest first search. So let us see how we do that. Here, as before, we start with A, right? We explore A, add the two children Z, three children Z, T and S. Now, uniform cost search, in breadth first search, I could have opened, in the next step I could have opened any one of the three, because all of them are at the same depth. So all of them are at, all ZT and S are at one step from A. I could have opened any one by breaking a tie. But in uniform cost search, I will have to open or explore that node first, which gives me the minimum total path cost from the start node. Again I repeat, I have to open that node from the frontier. Here the frontier is ZTS, which gives me the minimum total path cost from the start node. So what is the path cost of the start node, from the start node of Z? It is 75. For T, it is 118. For S, it is 140. So which one should I open? I will have to open Z. So I am exploring Z. By exploring Z, I get O. Since A has already been explored, I will not explore A again. So but what is in my frontier now? O, T and S. But what is the path cost for O? Be very careful here. The path cost for O here is not 71. 71 is the step cost from Z to O. The path cost is, as I said, you have to open the node with the minimum path cost from the start node. So the path cost of O from the start node O is start node A is 75 plus 71, which is 5 and 1 makes 6, and 7 and 7 is 146. So in my frontier now I have three nodes O, T and S. So I will have to open T. By opening T, I will add only L. And the path cost for L will be 118 up to T, and from T to L it's 111. Add them up to get 229. My frontier is now O, L and S. Which one should I open? S. By opening S, I get F and I get R. For F it will be 140 plus 99, which is 239, and for R it will be 140 plus 80, which is 220. So my frontier is now O, L, F and R. Which one should I open? I should open O. By opening O, I can go to either Z or I can go to S, both of which are explored, so nothing to add. So now my frontier consists of L, F and R. Which one should I open? R. From R, what can I add? I can add C and I can add P. C and P. For C it is 220 plus 146, which means it is 366. For P it is 220 plus 97, so it's 317. So now my frontier is L, F, C, P. Which one should I open? 220 L, which is at 2, which has a cost of 229. By opening L, I get M. Which gives me 229. The path cost up to M is 229 plus 75, which is 304. Now in my frontier I have M, F, C, P. Which one should I open? F, because it has a value of 239. I am opening F. From F, what can I add? I can add B. And what is the value of that path? 239 plus 85, right? Sorry, no. 239 plus 211, which comes out to be